Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. My friend Art sent this watch over, so he's selling this watch. Asked me to help him to sell it for him, so let's get it open. I did pre-cut the box, so let's make it a little quicker here. Let's check it out here. It's a Seiko SARX045. Okay. Looks like he shipped it in a towel. Interesting packaging method there. So no box, no papers. What you see is what you get. I think he said there had some scratches on it. I don't know if I really see them right off the bat. Yeah, it looks like there's some scuffs and stuff on the bracelet here. So it's been worn. A little bit of scuffs on the clasp there as well. So I don't know if I mentioned already, SARX045. So it looks like push-pull crown. It's got looks like a cabochon on there. I have not seen this model before. Let's see here. Just give it a little wipe down here. I don't know, maybe you guys can see on the camera here. Looks like a little bit of scuff going on. So he wore the watch. I got to figure out what the asking price will be on this. If you want to make some offers, feel free to shoot me an email, wrongtimewatch@gmail.com. And in the meantime, we'll try to figure out an asking price for this. So it looks like the 4R36 movement, I would guess. Nope, I'm sorry, 6R50. Right there by my thumb, I think you can read right here, top left corner of this rotor, it says the movement on there. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Alright, let's try this one more time. So yeah, 6R50 movement, Seiko Time Corp 23 joules. So this should be hand winding and hacking. Pull the crown all the way out. Yeah, so the second hand has stopped. Actually, let's move the hands. There we go. Date change there. Alright, I'll put this on my wrist real quick. Really don't know much about the watch at this point, but I'll do some research and put out a full video here. But like I said, this watch is for sale. If you're interested, shoot me an email. wrongtimewatch@gmail.com. So I have a 6.5-inch wrist. I think Art has a 7.5-inch wrist. So this bracelet will come with enough links for a 7.5-inch wrist. Again, no box and no extra bracelet links. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really does help me out. If you'd like to send any watches over, please send me an email. I could check them out. Or if you need help selling something, I could video it here online on YouTube for you as well. So you guys see some more scuffs right there on that bracelet. I'm not sure if that's a scuff or what's going on here. Yeah, so we got some good scuffing going on right there. So you could try to maybe rebrush it, or just wear it without the bracelet, or just wear it and get some more wear on it. This watches are meant to be worn. I'm gonna guess these are pin and collar. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's pin and collar. So anyway, just a quick unboxing here. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.